Hello, LC fans. Let's make 36 pastries for my clients. 6 meat pies, 8 chicken pies, 8 egg rolls, 8 donuts, and 6 sausage rolls. Yeah, I prepped my pie dough and pie sauce. I'm just trying to fill them and cut out the shapes. I also made my egg rolls and donuts off camera. This is because of low storage space of my phone. If you are ordering any pastry from Lamide Cakes, please be rest assured that it's not only delicious, but it is richly topped. Do not mind the serious face. That day I was running out of time. Not just that, I had like some cramps and I was just trying to be smiley all through. While my pies and rolls were baking, I had to use that to package the donuts and the egg rolls. Trust me, this is several hours of work in real time. Our golden, flaky, juicy pies are ready. I had to leave them to cool down a bit, then the rain started. Off to delivery. Bye.